Today I'll show you this interesting algebra problem involving three variables a, b, and c. So we have a, b, and c are distinct non-zero real numbers such that a plus 1 over b equals b plus 1 over c equals c plus 1 over a. And we need to prove that the absolute value of a, b, c is equal to 1. Okay, so it seems a little difficult to actually find what the exact values of a, b, and c could be. So instead, we'll attempt to do some algebraic manipulations to extract the value of the absolute value of a, b, c. Okay, so if I have the equation a plus 1 over b equals b plus 1 over c, if I subtract, if I move the right hand side over to the left hand side, or move the b over to here and 1 over b over to here, we'll get a minus b is equal to 1 over c minus 1 over b. And we can do a similar thing with the b, with this equation over here. So we'll have b minus c equals 1 over a minus 1 over c. And finally, we will have, if we do the same with the equations for a plus 1 over b equals to c plus 1 over a, we will have c minus a is equal to 1 over b minus 1 over a. Okay, so 1 over c minus 1 over b is equal to b minus c divided by bc. B minus c is equal to c minus a over ac. And this is equal to a minus b over ab. Okay, so now we have the quantities a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a occurring on both sides of these equations. So what we could do is to multiply these three equations together and get some cancelling out. So if we multiply the three equations on the left hand side, we have a minus b times b minus c times c minus a, and the right hand side becomes b minus c times c minus a times a minus b, and the denominator becomes a squared, b squared, c squared. And now, since a, b, and c are all distinct, it means a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a are all non-zero numbers, which means we can cancel all these out. And moving the a squared, b squared, c squared across, we will have a, so you can rewrite it as abc all squared, and this is equal to 1. And this means abc is equal to plus minus 1. So we'll finally get the absolute value of abc is equal to 1. Okay, so that concludes the proof for this problem. So the main idea is, instead of trying to actually find the values of a, b, and c, we can just try to do some algebraic manipulations to just get our final goal of finding the absolute value of a, b, c. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.